How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also not showing or not seeing any of the Facebook profile lock option on your Facebook, then what you can do is just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner and simply once again tap on it. And as you can see, my account is in professional mode. So first thing what you can do is just head over to this settings option from either here or just scroll down and click on this settings. And once you're inside your settings, under the settings and privacy option, just scroll all the way down until you see this option called followers and public content. And from over here, just make sure you have enabled the option from public to friends or friends of friends. So only me or friends. Just make sure you have enabled the options to friends or only me, except of public. So once you do all of that to every single one of these options, just come back from over here, and you can do the same inside the profile tagging option as well. Just change it to friends if it's in everyone or public. So once you do all of that, just come back once again, and the last thing what you can do is make sure your account is not on professional mode. Since as you can see my account is on professional mode, so when I tap on this three dot icon over here, there is no option to turn off or lock the profile option. So basically I can't actually lock my profile right now. So what I need to do is just turn the professional mode off. So to do that, simply click on this option and here and click on continue. So when you tap on it, just click on this turn off once again, and you have to wait for some time for it to completely turn off the professional mode. And just click on close and refresh the page once again. And just like that, you should see the option called lock profile once again. So just make sure you refresh the page once again and come back to three dot icon over here, and as you can see there's an option called lock profile once again. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.